traders, welcome to another episode of Suni'S Trade Breakdown here on Fortraders TV. I'm so happy to be with you today. So let's do a week recap from 31st of March till 4th of April. So let's take a look at my trades on gold. Let's take a look at my technical analysis, also my fundamental analysis, and let's take a look on market reactions after Trump's news about tariffs, because it's crazy. Hey guys, so let's take a look at my trades and my point of view last week. It was mainly on gold. I took also some positions on silver, but it was almost the same because we have about a 73% correlation between silver and gold. Gold is much more stronger, but silver copies its movement. Okay, so we had Monday here. I expected overall to go higher because of Elliott waves, because of whole point from fundamental analysis, from strong uptrend, from technical analysis also. It respects trend line also, and I expected market to go higher. First of all, I took a short position here. This was our previous all-time high, so I took a short position here only on 0.48 Fibonacci retracement because I expected overall to go higher, but I took this as a pullback from fourth wave from Elliott waves, and fourth waves are basically not that deep, so it was enough for me, and I took immediately a long position only to a previous all-time high. I got 250 pips. It took such a long time, to be honest. It wasn't that big position, like about pips, but it took 11 hours, 11 and a half hour. Okay, so I got to take profit during the night, and this was overall, this was fifth wave from Elliott waves, and I expected pullback again, but overall I was bullish. Overall I was bullish. To be honest, I got only one stop loss last week. No, Thursday I got two stop losses last week. Yeah, which is great. I think it's really great because I have a big RR, and I think two stop losses are perfect situation. Okay, so I entered a short position and at Tuesday due to a fair value gap because we have this big rejection during Asia session. So I entered this trade as the fourth wave because I have 5 waves from this movement like this. It could be also only third wave, and I expected overall pullback. So after this huge rejection, as I said during Asia session, I expected a pullback, so I entered this trade due to fair value gap and also Fibonacci golden packet. Yes, it wasn't even 618, but it was something between 0.5 to 618. So I entered this trade only to around this liquidity, this push. I took 200 pips, and after that it didn't took this liquidity here. So next day I expected overall to go lower, and I took this trade and I hold it for 11 hours. For 11 hours. Oh my god, I hate trades like that, but I was super convinced that it would go lower. So I took this trade, great zone, I had great RR, but after 11 hours, Trump started speaking. It was disaster, and from that time, it's disaster on markets. It's disaster. Oh my god. That huge impact because of tariffs. I never seen something like this before, to be honest. I never seen that either on historical data. I never seen something like this. So I hold this trade for 11 hours, and as you can see, it didn't fill my take profit because of 20 cents, something like that. Okay, so 40 cents. So I got break even here after 11 hours, and it went a little bit higher, and to be honest, I wanted to enter long position after midnight, but I was scared enough to do that because that movement it looks like normal chart, but that movements are so big, It's about 200 pips in 15 minutes. It's normal thing here because as you can see next day, this is Thursday, and Thursday's move, short move did like 1,150 pips. Sorry, and then pullback about 700 pips in, as you can see, 1.5 hour, something like that. Insane, crazy. So I was super careful, and I am still from Thursday, because it's really dangerous to put yourself in some position with your normal lot size position, because you can't put your normal size of stop loss here in this conditions. So I wanted to take short position from here, from this zone, but to be honest, I was driving at that moment, and I told myself we will have enough time to do that, to understand this specifically market conditions better. So never mind, whatever. And I I took a long position here as a hit of 0.75 Fibonacci golden packet from a swing move, and I expected overall market to go higher as a pullback, because I took this move as ABC from Elliott waves. So I expected to go something around this zone, that previous that I wanted to take short position, and I entered the zone, but I got stop loss immediately, almost immediately, and it looks like normal chart with normal candles, but this was about 90 pips of stop loss, and to be honest, I don't have stop losses like this. This is so big. This is too big for me, and I still get a stop loss. I entered this position in this candle. I got immediately 120 pips, but this candle about 3 p.m. my time was 230 pips almost. Sorry. Okay, so my prediction was great, but unfortunately I got stop loss, and it went as I thought to this area. To be honest, I wanted to take short position from this area, but I was scared, and I was super pissed also, to be honest. So I got on Thursday only this trade, only this one stop loss, quick, fast, and whatever. So I expected overall to go lower, and the next day, so at Friday, I took this beautiful 2 positions, and to be honest, my take profit was around this zone. So it was nice. I entered this position with an expectation to go lower, to go about golden packet Fibonacci retracement here, also filling this imbalances here on previous day, and I took a long position about 400 pips in only 2.5 hours. Insane. To be honest, I wanted to enter short position also here, but I told myself, don't be greedy, it's enough for today, and sometimes it's better to take less than to want more, to be honest, because these were so aggressive movements, so aggressive. If you look at it, only one candle could have 300 pips, so it was so aggressive. Okay, so that's about my week. As I said that I got 2 stop losses. It wasn't true. I got 1 stop loss and 1 break even here, because from this reaction of that candle, I didn't expect market to go lower at that point. Okay, and overall, I expected market to go even deeper, lower. So I will look for some short positions at Monday, and we will see what will happen during Asia session, during Trump another speeches, because it's super insane, and I really don't want it don't want it to face it anymore, because it's every time super dangerous on the chart right now. So okay guys, I hope you will have super successful week, and see you in the next video.